Hello everyone, this is Nate from Sitelutions, and today I will be walking you through how to configure email accounts for your domain hosting account. Now keep in mind that this is different from an email forwarder because the email account only receives mail and does not forward it. You must have a domain registered with our hosting account in order for this to work. So if you don't have a Sitelutions Space account with a domain registered to it, then make sure you do that before you do the rest of the steps in this video. So the access and management of your email accounts will be available through the Sitelutions Space account. So what you're going to do is go to the Sitelutions Space Control Center, and you're going to log into your cPanel account from here. Now you'll go to this section that says email, and you'll click email accounts. And from here you can see all of the email accounts that you have available right now. And as you're about to see, I already have an email account set up called sendmemail@websby.us. But I want to create a new email, and for an example, websby.us is my web development company, and let's just say that I want to create an email account for customer support. So if someone wants to send me a support ticket or something, they would email support@websby.us. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on add email account. And from here, I can add the account name that I want. So I'm going to do support. And then you need to enter in a password. And they do have a requirement for the strength of the password. So I think it has to be above 50. And this is a 61. And you can always just generate a password. So I'm just going to do that. And then I'll copy paste this. And then you select your mailbox quota, which is how much data or how much storage your mailbox has. And once it reaches this limit, it will stop accepting new mail. So I'm going to leave it at that. And I'm going to keep this box checked, which will send me welcome email with mail client configuration instructions. And I'm going to click create account. All right, so it says that my new account was created, so I'm going to click view. And this just takes me back to the email accounts tab, and it has this in the search bar. So if you click the X, it will go back and show all the accounts that I currently have. So you can see that the storage is different on this one because on the other email account, I had it to unlimited. And so you have a bunch of options here, like you can access your webmail, you can manage the disk and quota, you can manage suspensions, security settings like password and authentication. You can connect devices to it like your phone, and you can delete it. So to actually get into your email, you're going to click Access Webmail. Now this page right here gives you a lot of advanced options for configuring your email. So it can give you configuration scripts, and if you don't like any of these scripts, you can manually change settings, and you can also email configuration instructions. So if I wanted to make a bunch of email accounts for employees that I had, I could get this far and then I could email them information on how to configure it, and then they could do that themselves. So you need to pick one of these three default webmail applications, and there's no pressure in choosing the perfect one because you can switch back and forth. There are differences between them, and I put a link to the differences on the knowledge base article that I wrote. So if you really want to know what the differences are, then definitely check that out. So for now, I'm just going to choose Horde. So I'm going to click there. It's taking a while to load. And now you can see my inbox. So remember that I checked that thing that said that I would get welcome email. And as you can see, I got it. And I can read it. And so we know that this inbox works. Now I just want to double check to make sure that my email account is working properly. So I'm going to compose a new email and send it to that account and see if it receives. So I'm going to put support at websby.us, and I'm just going to send a little test message and see if my email account receives it. All right, so it took a couple of minutes, but I finally got the test message from my other email account. So now I can rest easy knowing that whenever a customer has a support question, they can email my account and I will receive their mail. So that's all there is to it. Once you've finished following these steps, you should have a fully functioning email account that can receive mail. And you can also combine this with the email forwarders to create a really customizable network of email accounts that communicate with each other that can really help out organizing your business. So I hope I made everything clear, and thanks for watching. And if you have any questions at all, please email us at support@sitelutions.com.